Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll look at how we can connect a Windows 11 virtual machine that's running on VirtualBox to Wi-Fi. So I'm running a Windows 11 machine on VirtualBox, and I'm going to show how we can connect this to the same Wi-Fi as the host machine. Now, we'll just need to make a settings change. We'll right click on this virtual machine and go to settings, and then under network. So by default, when we install a virtual machine on VirtualBox, it's probably going to select the network adapter as NAT. So NAT just means that we're going to share the same IP with the host machine. But in case you want your virtual machine to have its own IP address that's going to receive via DHCP, we can change this setting to Bridged adapter. And then under name, you want to select the Wi-Fi name in your environment. So there's two ways to check what name your Wi-Fi interface card is using. At the bottom here, if I right click on this icon here for internet access or internet or network and internet settings, under Wi-Fi we can click on this arrow here, and then you see it's got the Wi-Fi you're connected on your host machine as properties. To see the properties, you can click on this arrow again, and if you scroll down under description, here's where you'll find the name of the Wi-Fi interface card. Another way you can do it is by using the control panel. So you can search for control panel, and then go to network and internet, go to network and sharing center, and then click on change adapter settings. Here you see all your interfaces. So here you see all your network interfaces and the names associated with all of them. For instance, this is my wired interface. So it's got a name, and for the Wi-Fi one, this is the name again. Once you've determined the name, then you can come into these settings and then just select that particular name for your Wi-Fi. Okay. With that, you can just select OK to apply the changes. The next thing we'll do here is we'll start this virtual machine, and then we'll verify that we have an IP address that's on the same subnet as our host machine, and we're receiving the IP via DHCP. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this virtual machine. Alright, I'm gonna log into the virtual machine. Now I'm gonna open the command prompt. I'm just gonna search for cmd here. Then we'll run the command ipconfig to check the IP. The IP is 192.168.1.115, and if I check the host machine, it's a Windows 11 machine as well. I can do ipconfig, and if I look at the Wi-Fi adapter here, the IP is 192.168.1.120, so they're on the same subnet here, and is at /24. So that tells us that this virtual machine is on the same subnet and it's receiving its own unique IP address. As you can see here, this is .120 and this is .115. Okay, and lastly, you can just verify that you have internet connectivity here. So yeah. I can search for YouTube, go to YouTube here, and as you can see, I have internet access. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Windows 11 virtual machine that's running on VirtualBox to your Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.